Welcome to our Google Docs tutorial. Today, I'll show you how to align text to the left and right on the same line. Let's get started. First, type the text you want on the left side of the line. Let's say, Sample Info Text Solutions. Next, click on the ruler at the top of the page and click Add Right Tab Stop, and a small triangle will appear. Now, place your cursor at the end of your left-aligned text and hit the Tab key. Type the text you want to align on the right side. To ensure it's aligned perfectly to the right edge, drag the right tab stop to the far right of the ruler. And that's it. You've successfully aligned text to both the left and right on the same line in Google Docs. This quick trick gives your documents a clean, professional look. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more Google Docs tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.